All right, here we go. Here's the unboxing of the Clever Fox Premium Daily Planner. Usually they come in the Premium Weekly, so I'm excited to record this video. I couldn't find any videos on YouTube for the Premium Daily, just the Premium Weekly, so excited about that. Comes in this really cute box, magnetized box. And you have this tab to pull out the planner. And here we go. It's a 6-month daily planner. The premium edition again. So we've got this front page here. And then what is the vision? What is my life's purpose? I am grateful for my affirmations. What am I passionate about? Skills to learn. You've got a 2-page spread for your vision board, your goals in these different areas. 3-month goals and a mind map. Then your monthly spread. You can pause it and look at what that has. And this is an undated 6-month planner, by the way, for those of you who aren't familiar with Clever Fox. So then you've got your 3-month goals at the end of the 3 months, and then another mind map. You've got your 3 tabs, one for your monthly, one for weekly, and one for your daily. So it starts with the week page. And so you've got this week's main goal, priorities, life balance to-do list, work to-do list, personal to-do list, and then your daily skills and habits that you fill in or check off when done. And then it goes into the daily pages. So 1 page per day. And then you have a dotted page at the end of the week and a weekly review. And then it goes back into the week and the dailies and so on and so forth. Then you've got just a few pages of dotted, a few dotted pages here in the back, not very many. But that doesn't matter because you've got your daily pages here in a premium version. How awesome. So that's that. The cover's a bit different. The old one, or the regular non-premium version, is like a Swedish kind of feel, has a Swedish feel, and this is more leathery, plasticky. But yeah. And then it comes with 6 sticker sheets. They're like rose gold foiled. Really cute. So that is the daily premium. And also one thing I want to point out is the regular or the older version had like these dark border or like title headers, whatever you call them, and this is just white and dark writing instead of dark with white writing. I prefer this lighter looking layout, so that's another thing to notice. And yeah, that's the daily premium Clever Fox planner. Subscribe, like, comment for more planning videos, organization, and homeschool. Thanks. Bye-bye.